Hello friends, myself Pooja Bhand. I have completed computer science. Today's topic is Java string methods. The string class has a set of built-in methods that you can use of strings. Char method is used to return the character at a specified index position. Its return type is char. Code point add method is used to return the Unicode of the character at the specified index. Its return type is int. Code point before. This method is used in returns Unicode of the character before the specified index. Return type is int. Code point count. Method is used to return the number of Unicode values found in a string. Return type is int. Compare to method. This method is used to compare two strings lexicographically. Return type is int. Compare to ignore case. It compares two strings lexicographically. Ignoring case differences. Returns type is int. Concat method. Concat method appends a string to the end of another string. Return type in string. Return type is string. Contains method checks whether the string contains a sequence of characters. Its return type is boolean. Content equals. It checks whether a string contains the exact same sequence of characters of the specified char sequence of string buffer. Boolean is return type. Copy value method. This returns a string that represents the characters of the character array and the return type is string. Ends with method checks whether the strings ends with the specified characters and boolean is a return type. Equals method compares two strings, returns true if the strings are equal and false if not. Its return type is boolean. Equals ignore case compares two strings ignoring case considerations. Boolean is a return type. Format method returns the formatted string using the specified local format string and argument. String is a return type. GetByte method encodes this string int a sequence of byte using the name char set string the result into a new byte array. Its return type is byte. GetByte's return type is byte. GetChars getChars method is used to copy characters from a string to an array of chars. Void is a return type. Hashcode method is used to return the hashcode of string and its return type is int. Index of method is used to return the position of the first found occurrence of specified characters in a string and its return type is int. Intern is a method which returns the canonical representation for the string object and string is a return type. IsEmpty method checks whether a string is empty or not. Boolean is an return type. Last index of method. This method is used to return the position of last found occurrence of specified characters in a string and its return type is int. Length method is used to return the length of the specified string and its return type is int. Matches method searches a string for a match against a regular expression and returns the matches. Boolean is a return type. Split method Split method is a string and to an array of substrings. Return type is string. To-char array converts these strings a new character array. Char is a return type. Trim method removes white spaces from both ends of the string and string is a return type. Thank you.